Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial, we are going to continue our discussion about HTML styles. HTML style attributes along with the CSS properties. Quickly, let's get started. Today, we are going to use background color property in the CSS property. The CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. For example, set the background color for a page to powder blue. In our opening body tag, we will have HTML style attribute along with the background color property from the CSS with the value of the background color. Quickly, let's give an example to see how it works. Let's open our document. Right click and open it with VS Code. Inside our body tag, the opening body tag, this is our opening body tag and this is our closing body tag. Inside the open body tag, let's write our style attribute, the HTML style attribute, along with the CSS background color property, and let us give it blue color first at the value to see how it works. Let's go back to our HTML document and see how it looks now in the browser. Reload it. Can you see it works? Now it works. So quickly, I think you can understand now. Let's add powder blue. I save it and reload our document. Can you see it works? We can add any type of property inside our HTML style attributes. Along with the CSS property with the CSS value. So I think I am done today. For today, we are done for today. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. Have a great day. Thank you.